Stormy, if you're looking for a canvas baby, Miss Ari, she's here. Hey. She says she's here, honey. Hi everyone, welcome to 4C Crown of Glory. If this is your first time here to this channel, my name is Desha, and basically I do monthly hair growth challenges. I share tips on how I'm able to grow my natural hair, and a few health and wellness videos may be on here as well. But today is really cool. I was trying to save this video for myself, however, it is not my time to do a growth challenge. I'm still in the process of one. But it is my daughter's time for a new challenge. She just completed her 30-day LCO method hair growth challenge using aloe vera, Grow with Mo moisturizer, and I can't think of the third one, and Jamaican black castor oil. So you guys know that anything that I try, I do my research, and upon doing my research, I had a company pop up on Facebook by the name of Canvas Beauty Brands, and I decided to give them a try because coincidentally at the time Canvas Beauty Brands had a birthday sale, so I was able to get $60 off of my purchase, and I did purchase the pink kit. So right now I'm going to do an unboxing for you to show you guys what the Canvas Beauty Brands pink kit looks like. So here's the box that my pink kit came in. Stormy, where is my cute packaging? Oh my gosh, everybody had got like a little pink cute bag and a cute box or a cute whatever. And this is my box. I'm not going to complain though. Thank you anyways. It was safe with these little marshmallow package protectors. I'm not sure what the name of these things are. But yeah, this is what the pink kit looks like. Hopefully these items work. So let me show you guys what I got with the pink kit. I have this edge tamer. The edge tamer comes in 2 ounces. Let me smell it. Smells good. The edge tamer smells nice. The Full Bloom deep conditioner, and this comes in 8 ounces. Smells nice too. This is the deep conditioner. Nice light pink rose color. This is the Hair Blossom Serum. This comes in a 4-ounce bottle with the applicator tip. I love applicator tips because it's so easy to apply the oil. I thought it was bigger than this for some reason, but maybe because it comes in a kit it's smaller, but hopefully this can last a whole month. We'll see. Let me see what it smells like. The scent is not the best scent. It smells like some type of food item. I can't put my finger on it. And then we have this follicle booster. This comes in 8 ounces as well. The directions say to apply a dime-size amount to the hair and scalp until it lathers. Thoroughly massage the scalp, cleanse the hair, let it sit for 5 minutes. Follow up with the Canvas Beauty Full Bloom Amplifying Shampoo and Conditioner. So I guess this is like a pre-poo, pre-shampoo. It says it's a follicle booster. So let's see what it smells like. Ooh, it's blue. My seal is broken. I'm still going to use it though. It is blue in color, and it has like a tea tree scent. That's what I smell. And that's one of the main ingredients, tea tree oil. It says that it helps promote rapid hair growth, increases blood flow and circulation, helps with dandruff and dead skin buildup, helps with dry scalp, and it says that it is antimicrobial and antifungal. So those are the benefits from it. And then this here is the Full Bloom Amplifying Shampoo. And the directions for this says apply a dime-size amount to the hair and scalp until it lathers, thoroughly massage and cleanse the hair. Leave for 2 to 3 minutes, rinse and repeat once. Follow up with our Full Bloom Amplifying Conditioner. The shampoo smells like bubblegum. This is the Amplifying Conditioner. This also comes in 8 ounces. And let's see what this one smells like. conditioner smells nice too. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these products in my daughter's hair right quick. I'm gonna go wash her hair using the follicle booster, the shampoo and conditioner, and then every day for a whole month I'm gonna use the growth serum in her hair to see if it's gonna work for her. Hopefully there's enough for me to use for my challenge as well, so we'll see about that. And then we'll probably do the deep conditioner once a month. And as far as edges go, I don't know if I'm gonna really get to use this, but we'll see. So guys, I'm gonna go wash my baby's hair and I'll be back to let you guys know how each of the items feel. Like I said in my previous video, make sure that you all go check out the process of me washing her hair, and I'll be leaving that info card somewhere here. And yeah, I'll be back. I just finished washing Ari's hair, and like I said, I used the follicle booster. And for her hair, I needed 2 dime size amounts. It says to put a dime size amount, but I needed 2 dime size amounts. I left that in for 5 minutes. I washed that out, and then I used the amplifying shampoo in Ari's hair. I used the shampoo as directed. I used it twice. Left it in for a few minutes after each use. Let me read what the shampoo does. So it says that it replenishes and locks in moisture, gently cleanses and conditions without residue or buildup. Safe for color treated hair, adds shine, restores and repairs cuticles, minimizes breakage and damage, creates soft and tangle free hair. So Ari's hair was already detangled from before, and after applying it, I can honestly say that her hair did feel a little stripped, but I did rinse that out and then I put the conditioner in. The conditioner says that it replenishes and locks in moisture, gently cleanses and conditions without residue or buildup, safe for color treated hair, adds shine, restores and repairs cuticles, minimizes breakage and damage, creates soft and tangle free hair, just like the shampoo. And I can honestly say that the conditioner did add softness to her hair. So I'm letting this sit in for 15 minutes with the shower cap on as directed, and I'm gonna let you all know how her hair turns out. Matter of fact, by the time I come back, you guys are gonna see Ari and what her hair looks like. So everyone, baby Ari's hair is completely washed with the Canvas Beauty products. So the only thing I wish I had was a leave-in conditioner and a moisturizer, but I'm just going to continue using the LCO method in her hair. But the only thing that I'm going to change is adding the Canvas Beauty Hair Blossom Serum in her scalp. I'm going to continue using... Ari says I say too much. I'm going to continue using the aloe vera as her liquid. The Grow with Mo moisturizer, and then I'm going to seal her ends and her hair with the black Jamaican castor oil. As you can see, Ari's hair is freshly washed, so I'm going to start off doing her measurements before her new hair challenge today. From her previous video, you see that her hair was starting off at 4.5 to 5 inches. So we're just going to measure again. So I'm still holding onto the tip of her hair, and it stops at 5 inches. I guess we're still going to say it's 4.5 to 5 inches. So that's going to be our baseline measurement for our Canvas Beauty 30-day challenge. I sectioned off her hair already, and I'm just going to add this in her roots. I love the applicator tip because I don't have to make any parts in her hair. I just touch the roots and press gently because I don't want to waste the serum. Put some on her edges, and then I'm going to massage that in. I'm going to try and use the growth serum every single day. If not every single day, I will definitely do it every other day. I really love how the conditioner makes her hair feel. It's nice and soft, manageable, no tangles, no knots. And the conditioner is really, really nice. Nice. Baby. I just want to show you guys that I am using it in her hair. I'm just going to fast forward now until I'm done, and I'll be back. Her problem area is around the perimeter of her head. So the edges and the sides and the back of her hair. I want to make sure I get that growth serum in the roots of those problem areas especially. And then I just massage that in. And her hair grew from the last challenge, as you can see. But we're just trying to fill that in some more. So the directions for the growth serum says, there are multiple ways to use this product. Apply to scalp once a day or every other day for best results. This product works great with protective styles. You can also deep condition with this product by applying it to your scalp and the ends of your hair after shampooing. Cover with a plastic cap for a minimum of 45 minutes. The longer the better. Then shampoo your hair and remove. So I think you can use it as like a hair oil treatment, but because it's only 4 ounces, I will not be doing that. I'm just going to be using it in her scalp, and hopefully the bottle will last a month or 2. So we'll see. I'm excited about this new challenge. And Stormy, if you're looking for a canvas baby, Miss Ari, she's here. She says she's here, honey. All right, guys. So make sure you guys go check out her last video with her first hair challenge. And we will see you at the end of this challenge with her results. My review for the products used today are unbiased, and there's no sponsorship or anything like that. So just keep that in mind. Like I always say, more hair and more love to you all. We'll see you all next time. Bye.